Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about transistor. It's a very important topic and very interesting topic in electronics. So let us discuss about it. So transistor, actually the word transistor comes from transfer plus resistor. That means whenever we transfer the resistance or resistors. So that is actually the not the total meaning of the transistor. We'll discuss a lot about the transistor. So there are various types of transistor. One is BJT, bipolar junction transistor. Bipolar junction. We will discuss these firstly. Bipolar junction transistor. One is BJT, another is FET, and that is FET, and another types of MOSFET, etc. So firstly we'll discuss about BJT, bipolar junction transistor. So there are various variation of BJT, bipolar junction transistor. One is Npn transistor, another is PNP transistor. So today it is our first part of the video. We will discuss in every parts in detail about the transistor. So let us discuss about Npn transistor. What is Npn transistor? You all know N-type semiconductor, P-type semiconductor. So whenever two N-type semiconductor, whenever a P-type semiconductor is sandwiched between two N-type semiconductor, then we can make it an Npn transistor. So here it will a part that is E, that is emitter. Here it will a part that is B, that is base, and here it will be a part that is C, that is collector. So this is N, and this is P. That means a P-type semiconductor is sandwiched between two N-type semiconductor. N-type semiconductor will be heavily doped. P-type semiconductor will be lightly doped. You all know semiconductor doping, hope. And it is this N-type semiconductor. Remember, the N-type semiconductor which is connected to the emitter junction. The N-type semiconductor which is connected to the emitter junction, that will be heavily doped. P-type semiconductor that is connected to the base, that will be lightly doped. And this N-type semiconductor which is connected to the collector, that is moderately doped. Yeah, moderately doped. That's it. So let us draw the circuit diagram of Npn transistor. Here circuit means we are drawing the main basic structure of that transistor. Let me draw clearly. This means in which way current will flow, that's it. So this is the transistor, here P, here N. You can see a arrow, that arrow is going from P to inside. From P to inside an arrow is going. Whenever you will see the arrow is going from P to inside, that means it is Npn transistor. Here I have drawn an Mpn transistor structure. Here it will be emitter. Here it is base. Here it is collector. So this is an Npn transistor. So we will discuss now in detail about Npn transistor. So configuration of the transistor. Configuration of transistor. So let's have a discuss. So what is the configuration of transistor? So there are various types of configuration of transistor, among which one is common base transistor, another is common emitter transistor, another is common collector transistor. CB common base, CE common emitter, CC common collector. So today we will start the common base collector. Then gradually we will cover all the transistor part in our next all videos. So let's have a little start of the common base transistor. So firstly, draw a circuit diagram of the common base transistor. Here first, here let us draw the circuit diagram. Here P2N it is going, that means what? That means it is NPN transistor. Now you can tell me that common base, why the term it is called common? Common means what we know, common junction, that is na. Here base is grounded or base is common to the junction, you can say. Here it is a battery VCC. Here it is also the battery VBB. Now this is a rough drawing of the circuit diagram of the common base collector. Here current IE is going, emitter current. Here IE current is going. Here it is VB battery voltage. This, now let me take another pen. This thing, this is VBE voltage. VBE voltage. Here, from here a current is going, that is emitter current IE. Here a current is going, that is IC, collector current, and common base. I have drawn it as common base. Means here it is a base. Base is common here, common junction. And what is the relation between all these currents? Here it is a VCC, here VCC battery, here VBB battery. So this is actually the circuit diagram of the common base collector. Here base is common in the circuit, common junction to the circuit. P2N is going, that means what? That means it is NPN transistor. Here I current is going this side. Here IC current means collector current is going. And IB current is going from here, from the base, from here. So what we know actually, in case of common base configuration, or in case of any configuration, the main relation between emitter current, base current, and collector current, there is a relation. Emitter current IE, base current IB, and collector current IC. There is a relation. What is that relation? The relation is given by IE equals IB plus IC. That is the main relation for common base configuration.